Good morning, Taiwan. I hope you are ready to have a great day with me. I've got some fun activities that you and I are going to do together. The first thing I need you to do is look at this picture. Okay, so this is a picture of Mario Kart. And I thought that you would love Mario Kart. So guess what? There is a surprise in your book bin. I want you right now to pause this video and go grab a folder that has Mario Kart on it. Okay, so pause this video. Okay, so you should have gotten the Mario Kart folder that has all of your activities in this bag. Okay, so what we're going to do is some activities together. I want you to follow along with me, okay? The first activity I want you to get out is Play-Doh. You're going to take out the Play-Doh. I want you to take it out of the bag just like me, okay? And take off just a small piece like this, and then put the rest down. You are going to build the words with me, okay? So yesterday we built the word see. So look at the three letters in C. S, E, E. I want you to make the word see. So I'm going to build my S. Let's see if we can build this faster. You or me? E. My E. And E. If you are not finished with this yet, I want you to pause this video until you are done building the word see. So I built my S. There's my S. My E. And E. Oops. So I am going to put some words on here, and you're going to continue building the words with your Play-Doh, okay? So after I say the word, I want you to pause the video and keep building that word until you're done building it. So after you built the word see, I want you to build the word you. Y. O. U. So pause the video and build the words see and you. Pause the video. So now that you've built the words see and you, now I want you to build the word we. W. E. Build the word we with your Play-Doh. Pause the video. Now I want you to build the word at. A. T. Okay, pause the video. And the last word that I want you to build is hat. Hat. Okay, pause the video and build this word. Good job. Awesome. So if you built all 5 of these words, kiss your brain. And because you did such an awesome job, I have a surprise for you. You're going to get to watch a clip, just a small clip of this movie that I thought was really funny. So let's watch this together.
Separately, batteries not included.
So, how was the first day of school?
She's probing us.
I'm done. You pretend to be Joy.
What?
Okay. It was fine, I guess. I don't know. Oh, very smooth. That was just like Joy.
Something is definitely going on. She's never acted like this before. What should we do? We're going to find out what's happening, but we'll need support. Signal the husband. Ahem.
Uh-oh, she's looking at us. What did she say? What? Oh, sorry, sir. No one was listening. Is it garbage night? We left the toilet seat up. What? What is it, woman? What?
He's making that stupid face again.
I could strangle him right now.
Signal him again.
Ah, so, Riley, how was school?
You're kidding me.
For this, we gave up that Brazilian helicopter pilot?
Okay, so now that we've done our sight words, I want you to do a special task. You are going to go up to my table and you are going to just stand there and give me a thumbs up. When I see you give me a thumbs up, I'm going to write you a core cash because you have followed along in this video so well. So right now, I want you to go to my table and give me a thumbs up and hold it right here. And when I see you, I'm going to write up core cash, okay? Go ahead and do that. Pause the video. Awesome. So now that you have your core cash, make sure you put it in your core cash bag already. Now me and you are going to take out this story called Fast or Slow. Take out this story from your bag. We are going to read this story together. Turn to this page. Okay, watch me as I read. It can go fast. What can go fast, Taiwan? Boats can go fast. Let's look at this page together. Oops. It can go slow. What's going slow? How cool. It can go fast. Look at that cool race car. You read this page to me out loud. Oops. Ready? It can go slow. Did you read it? If you did, kiss your brain. What's this? It can go fast. It can go slow. Ooh, it can go fast. So what I want you to do now is I want you to find your favorite page in here. I'm going to find my favorite page. This is my favorite page. I want you to draw a picture of this page on that white piece of paper in your bag. So find the white piece of paper, and I want you to draw a picture of this race car. Pause the video, and I want to see who can draw the best race car, me or you. So pause the video and draw this and draw your favorite picture. So you don't have to draw my favorite picture. Find your favorite picture and draw a picture of it. Press pause, and when you are done, you are going to go up to my table again, and you're going to hold the picture up in front of your heart at a level 0. And if you hold up the picture in front of your heart and I see your picture, I'm going to write you another core cash. So pause the video, find your favorite page, draw a picture of it, take it to my table, hold it in front of your heart, and I have a core cash. Press pause. All right, so now I want you to take out your magnetic letters. And I want you to make these words on with your magnetic letters. So the first word I want you to make is cat. K-A-T. It means you're going to have a race to see who can make it fastest. Ready? Go.
C-A-A. Teat.
Did you make the word cat? Awesome. Now I want you to put your letters back.
Teat.
Build the word hat.
H-A-A. Teat.
H-A-T. Good job.
Teat.
Now build the word bat. B-at. Let's see who can build it faster.
B.
Build the word bat. Bat.
A. Teat.
Good job, Taiwan. Let me see. Good job.
Teat.
Now build the word bag. Mrs. Oliver has a bag.
B. A.
Bag.
G. G.
Bag.
B.
Awesome job. Put the letters back.
G.
Now build the word man. I saw a man.
A. N.
Man.
N.
Now build the word can. I can go.
A. N. C.
Awesome job. Okay, Taiwan. You are now going to take out your letters that look like a road, and you're going to take out this white car. You are going to put the road on the table in front of you, and you are going to take your race car and drag your race car over the road. The car, and you're going to drag the car all the way to trace the word. Okay, so you're going to take that race car and trace all of the letters that are in your bag. After you complete this activity, you are going to come to my table, and I want you to hold the race car in your hand. That shows me that you completed all of your activities, okay? So hold it in your hand like this, so I can see the race car inside, but nobody else can see but me. And if you do that, then I have your final treat for you, okay? So thank you so much for doing your activities with me. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great rest of your day, Taiwan.